Today, we're going to learn how to use the list data structure, specifically how to use Standard Template Library's list to access elements using front, back, as well as the iterator. Hi, I'm James Helfrich. The Standard Template Library list container is known as a sequential container, which means I can access the first element, the last element, and elements in between only by sequence. I cannot jump randomly to an element in the middle as I can with the array or the vector. This video is going to demonstrate how to access elements in the middle of the list using the iterator. We're first going to start by creating an empty list of characters. This is an empty list. Now we're going to use pushback to push on A, then B, then C, then D, then E in sequence. Since I'm using pushback and not push front, these are going to add to the list in sequence. Next, I'm going to create an iterator to refer to the first element of the list, and then I'm going to advance it by 1. This means I'm going to have access to the second element in the list. I'm going to highlight that element so you can see which one I can access. The dereference operator allows me to look at or read an element in a list, but it also allows me to write or change an element in a list. In this case, I'm going to change the letter B to uppercase Y. I can also move the iterator to the end element. The end element is one off the end of the list, which means it's not referring to any element in the list. The front access method allows me to access the first element in a list, both read-only and read-write. Since front is on the left side of the assignment operator, then I'm going to change the lowercase a into uppercase X. And I can do exactly the same thing with back. In this case, I'm going to change lowercase e to uppercase Z. This is example 9.3 in the C++ data structures textbook.